Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix won't send MMS messages on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, check your network. After check your network, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down and click on mobile data. Turn on mobile data and turn off mobile data. Turn on or turn off mobile data 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button. At the time, click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps and click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on and search messages app. Click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache messages app. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.